Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov from Full Stack Ninja. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most basic and fundamental concepts of the Python programming language, variables. So, what exactly are variables? Well, simply put, a variable is a container that holds a value. In Python, you can think of a variable as a name that represents a value. Now, let's see how we can define a variable in Python. To define a variable, you first need to give it a name. This name can be any valid identifier, a sequence of letters, numbers, and underscores that begins with a letter or an underscore. Here, we've defined a variable called my_variable and assigned it the value 42. Now, we can use this variable to refer to the value 42 throughout our code. In Python, the syntax for defining a variable is pretty simple. It goes like this: the variable underscore name is the name of the variable you want to define, and the value is the value you want to assign to the variable. Let's try defining a few more variables. Here, we've defined 3 more variables: my_string, my_float, and my_boolean. As you can see, we can assign different types of values to variables in Python, including strings, floats, and booleans. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly go over a few rules for naming variables in Python. First, variable names are case sensitive, so my_variable and my_variable are 2 different variables. Second, variable names cannot contain spaces, so use underscores instead. Third, variable names should be descriptive and meaningful, so that anyone reading your code can easily understand what the variable represents. And that's it. I hope this video has helped you understand what variables are in Python and how to define them. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.